Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Google Maps username using which you contribute to the Google Maps. For example, you are writing reviews to your business or listing or something called historical landmark, or you are contributing photos to the Google Maps. Of every type of contribution public see from your profile that will be available with your custom username. So let's open Google Maps application, and you need to tap over here on your profile at the top right corner here and click on your profile here. Okay, so and there is an option called edit profile. Yeah, you can see you can now use your custom display name and a picture for posting. That is your contribution to the public will be available with you with a different username. So let's tap on this checkbox over here, and as soon as you click here, it will ask you to type your new name here. So let me type a fresh name like local guide. Yeah, so you can use any name for whatever you want, but you should follow the guidelines of Google Maps profile. So maybe you can you're not interested in giving a space, so let's remove it. And now you have to choose a custom profile picture here. Let's click over here. Let's wait for some time, and here you can choose any custom profile picture as you wish. So I'm gonna go with this one, and as you can see, let's tap on done and wait for a few hours. It will take some time, some seconds here, and now you can submit your fresh username. So this feature is available for all the all the Maps user before a few days ago. And let's tap on save here. Yes, okay. So it will take some time to change your username to be available to all the contribution you have made to us at Google Maps, and all the photos and your reviews will be available with your fresh custom username to everyone. As you can see, it has been changed for me right away, and there is an alternate option to visit your or go to your profile, like tap on this contribute button here and click on your profile here. Yes, again you're back. So if you want to go back to your original username, again check this box, and yes, all the things will be back to normal as it was earlier. That's it. So that's how you can change your custom username in Google Maps application. Thank you very much for watching.